There is nothing unusual in getting frustrated or feeling guilty or feeling worse about not fitting into a smaller size dress even after a month of hard work through a rapid weight loss program. This is because, sometimes things which we think would motivate would actually backfire. It is therefore advisable to set more easily achievable targets for oneself. Hence, in case you are going to apply the new clothes technique, decrease the size gradually and do not burn a hole in your pocket by buying expensive clothes with a hope of losing weight in a very short span of time. One more thing to be kept in mind is that if you continuously repent not losing weight quickly, you tend to end up slipping in rapid weight loss plans and fad diets. One bitter but true fact is that there is no single diet plan which has been proved to aid in rapid loss of weight, and there are no swift ways for people to lose weight more than what their body can actually provide for. Such diets can never be effective in the longer run. What works best, since the apt attitude and the correct principle are not applied, all these fad diets and swift weight loss programs do not prove efficient and effective. This ends up in weight gain after a certain period of time, which would make the person feel even worse. Such quick fixes for losing weight are termed fad diets, as they are nothing more than a trend, a fad. People would realize this only when they see that the diet has not helped them in any way. The points discussed below are the things to be considered before blindly trusting the so-called effective weight-losing programs that are being promoted in the markets after spending so many bucks. They are just namesake stories to make people prefer their diet programs. So, here they go. 1. Missing out on meals: how to lose weight with the right food. A diet program can be definitely termed fad diet if it calls for the individual to skip meals at any time of the day. Not eating food at proper time may lead to serious hitches, especially if the person is diabetic. Skipping meals is completely unhealthy, as it would only result in low blood sugar, otherwise known as hypoglycemia, which would result in more consumption of food in the upcoming meals. 2. Dieting devoid of exercise, or the vice versa. Exercises are very important for maintaining a healthy and fit body. It helps in maintaining proper circulation of blood in the body as well as in carrying out other processes. Thus, diet plans which are void of exercises are basically pointless and useless. For proper maintenance of the body, diet and exercise must be combined together in the right proportion. 3. Dawdling: continuously postponing diet plans is not the best thing to be done. This is because postponement would lead to lethargy. If the diet plan calls for you to lose weight within a stipulated time, it clearly implies that it is nothing but a wannabe trend-setting fad diet which is absolutely unhealthy. Precisely, we can say that slowly losing the excess weight by proper diet and exercise is a better way to lose weight than just blindly following a so-called rapid fad diet, which might result in more complications and side effects. It is said so because a fad diet may not make the individual feel good about the whole process, while the process of planned and healthy weight loss may make him feel great as well as leave behind a positive enthusiasm.